pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Point of Rock's local and long-distance movers near me. When you have to move to a new city with your belongings, hiring professional moving services is suggested. 3 Movers is your go-to solution for long-distance moving. We have experience of 20 years in handling the moving. Our team consists of professionals trained in packing your belongings with safety sheets. We have multiple trucks, and you can choose the truck based on the prices and the number of boxes. The team will visit your house or fill out a form to request a free quote for all the services you need. We treat our customers as a family. Therefore, we help you make an informed decision. In addition to carrying your belongings, we also help in auto transportation, wherein we load your automobile on the truck and transport it along with other belongings. 3 Movers allows you to decide your move at your convenience. You do not have to worry about packing the stuff and moving it all by yourself. Instead, you can connect with our team and receive guidance on when and how to start planning. We also offer same-day moving and 1-hour moving services if the distance allows. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Point of Rocks moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.